Hello friends, have you ever tried to completely customize and configure maps in the Flutter app? The Flutter map package is customizable, configurable, simple and easy to learn. In this video, I will show you how to use Flutter map package of Flutter to add Flutter map, tile layer, polylines, polygons, markers and circles on a map. We will build two examples to explore its properties, one for polyline and markers and other for map controller. Let's add Flutter map and lat-long2 dependencies. Lat-long2 package is used to give latitude and longitude in the Flutter map package. Inside the homepage .dot file, let's create two elevated buttons. One navigates to the polyline and markers page, the other one leads to the map controller page. Let's create app constants .dot file, and inside it we are storing API keys like Mapbox, access token, URL template, map styles from Mapbox website and my location. Sign up on Mapbox if you don't have an account. After signing up, go to the access token page and copy the default public token. We can also create a new secret token like these two are already created. Here I have pasted the default public token. And for styles, we can find the style of map here. Here are some styles that I have copied from the Mapbox styles. We can also use OpenStreetMap API for maps. It is also used in the official docs of Flutter map package on their website here. Let's go to the polyline markers page .dot file and initialize a list of lat.lng points named tapped points. Inside the build function, we are using map function to map tapped points list on markers of Flutter map package. Marker has multiple properties like point and child are required arguments. Set the point property to lat.lng and the child property to icon. Inside the scaffold, we are using an app bar and then Flutter map widget inside the body. Flutter map has two required parameters, options and children. Options accepts map options widget of Flutter map package and children accept a list of widgets. Map options has multiple properties like center, initial center, zoom, initial zoom, rotation, initial rotation, bounds options, initial camera fit, camera constraint, min zoom, max zoom, background color, on tap, on secondary tap, on long press and much more. Let's set the initial center to my location from app constants, initial zoom to 13, min zoom to 5 and max zoom to 18. On tap parameter of map options is a callback function which takes tap position and lat.lng as callback. Inside it we are using setState to add lat.lng in the tapped points variable. Inside the children of Flutter map package, let's use the tile layer widget of Flutter map. Tile layer is the fundamental element responsible for displaying the map itself. It also has multiple properties like URL template, fallback URL, tile size, min zoom, max zoom, subdomains and many others. For both URL template and fallback URL, we are using the same URL of OpenStreetMap from the official docs of Flutter map package. In the URL, the Z, X and Y placeholders are used to specify the zoom level, the X coordinate and the Y coordinate of tile respectively. Next, let's comment it out and use URL template and fallback URL of the Mapbox website in tile layer, which we have already defined in the app constants .dot file. Let's also use additional options to change the style of map. It accepts map of type string and string. Let's use outdoor as ID of style from app constants. Next, let's create a marker layer widget to show markers on this page. Marker layer requires one parameter, markers, which accepts a list of markers. Let's assign markers parameter to the markers variable which we have defined above. Now when we click anywhere on the map, it will add a marker on that place because inside the on tap property of map options, we are adding new points in the tapped points variable. Next, let's create polyline layer. It requires one parameter, polylines, which accepts a list of polylines. Let's use one polyline here. Polyline widget has one required parameter, points, which accepts a list of latitudes and longitudes. So let's create this list here. Polyline also has other properties like color, stroke width, border color, gradient color, is dotted and some others. Let's set the color to red and stroke width to 5. Next, let's go to the map controller page .dot file and define the latitudes and longitudes for London, Paris and Dublin. Also initialize the map controller to control map behavior and interactions and dispose it in the end. Inside the build method, we are initializing 3 markers and setting the point to London, Dublin and Paris. Inside scaffold, we are creating an app bar. We are using a column wrapped by padding to show the body content. For the first child, we are using a row with 3 buttons. We are moving the map controller to center the London, Paris and Dublin cities with the move property of map controller. After setting the country location, we are using the zoom level 18 for London and 5 for Paris and Dublin. For the second child, we are using 2 buttons in row to fit and get bounds. For the fit bounds, map controller.fit camera accepts camera fit and we are using camera fit.bounds. Bounds parameter for camera fit.bounds is required and we are giving points from Dublin, Paris and London. For the second button, we are getting bound by calling camera.visibleBounds on map controller and then showing east, west, north and south from bounds in a snack bar. In the end, we are again using Flutter map widget with map controller options and children parameters. Let's assign map controller to map controller that we have defined above. Options accepts map options and we are defining initial center, initial zoom, max zoom and min zoom here. For the children parameter, we are using tile layer and marker layer. For marker layer, we are setting the marker to the markers variable that we have defined above and also we are setting the map box style to night. By following this, you can use Flutter map package for building interactive and dynamic maps in your Flutter apps. Good luck. Subscribe to stay tuned for advanced tips and tricks.